Let's play with some vegan food. Oh, hi, Bella. You already had your vegan kibble, remember? Pumpkin seeds. They're vegan. These are cranberries. They don't have any added sugar. They're sweetened simply with apple juice. It's okay to play with your food. It's actually good to stop for a while and look at it closely and listen to it. Walnuts. Walnuts contain omega-3 fatty acids. That's a good kind of fat. That's healthy for you. Walnuts are good for your brain. And here's some almonds. Make sure you look for almonds from farmers who use organic or bee-friendly practices, such as reducing pesticide use and creating biodiverse environments. Supporting these farmers produces better standards in the industry. Tarali. These are vegan. They're not a whole food, so you shouldn't eat them too often, but they're delicious. Yes, Bella, we're going out to the dog park right after this, okay? You can see all your friends. Here's a vegan junk food, sort of like Smarties, but without any milk in there. No cruelty. Just vegan ingredients. Remember, cocoa is vegan. Chocolate can be vegan as long as you don't add any milk. Don't eat this kind of thing too often. Mostly, you should be eating whole foods. But they're fun to play with. Which is your favorite color? I like yellow. Hey. Come on out, guys. Being vegan is actually not about food at all. Being vegan is a moral baseline for any kind-hearted person. Being vegan means you don't want to exploit animals. You don't want to use them. Hello. I wonder if I should eat you. I think I will. A vegan utilitarian opposes animal use because it maximizes overall happiness and reduces suffering for the greatest number of beings. A vegan deontologist avoids using animals based on moral duty and the belief that animals have inherent rights that must never be violated. Pumpkin seeds contain magnesium, protein, zinc, and iron. If you're vegan and you're watching this right now, feel free to advertise your own channel in my comment section. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell so you don't miss any videos going forward. I'm thirsty. Should I use this cup? Maybe I'll use the purple one today. Soy milk. That's what I usually drink. I'm in Italy. Where are you in the world? Are you in the United States? Or England? Or Australia? Or are you somewhere else close to me? Let me know in the comments. It's okay to play with your soy milk. Just listen to it. Pause sometimes in your life. Just be in the moment. Don't be in the past or the future. Just be here, right now. Soy milk is good for you. It has lots of protein, vitamins, and minerals. I stopped drinking cow's milk when I found out that the baby boy cows are all murdered in that industry. I spent a lot of time crying after I saw the documentary called Earthlings. Have you seen it yet? Earthlings. You can Google it and watch it for free. I think I'm going to just put this right in there. Plop. It floats. What next? How about one of these vegan Smartie type things? Oh, it doesn't float. What about a cranberry? All gone. Do you think an almond will float? Nope. Only the walnut. And it has a lot of fat in it. That's why. Oh, these guys float too. Stir, stir, stir. Hey, I just noticed. There's one left in there. Come on. I talk to my food, even though it can't hear me. Food is not sentient. Animals are. Food cannot feel pain. Plants don't feel pain. They don't have a brain or a nervous system. So it's okay to bite into them. Oh, all three at once. Isn't it interesting that walnuts look like a brain and they're actually good for your brain? Well, thanks for hanging out with me. Remember, nobody can force you to be vegan. Nobody can force you to be kind. But hopefully, you'll decide to be kind on your own. Thank you for helping me protect the animals. I'll see you in the next video.